Hey everyone, welcome back to App Mentor. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the hydraulic generator in Once Human. So, to unlock the recipe for hydraulic generator, you will first need to open up the Mematics by pressing on your keyboard. And then we will go to Logistics. And if we scroll down a bit, here in the fourth tier, you will find hydraulic generator. So, it is here. And to unlock this, you will first need to unlock solar generator and then electrical kit, power upgrade, and then you will unlock the hydraulic generator. So here it is, and it requires electrical kit and 7 ciphers and about 2000 energy links. Once you have met these requirements, you can easily unlock this recipe, and then you can build hydraulic generator. And it's crucial to place it near a flowing water source for optimal operation. A helpful tip is to position the turbine in the water while keeping the base on the land. If the generator doesn't work right away, try adjusting its placement to ensure the water is flowing and not stagnant, as the generator relies on moving water to function. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.